welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania. You can find me online as Velvet Vintage. I'm a part-time reseller and I'm here to give you a life update. So I know I've been MIA for like almost 3 months now. I was posting, I think my last post was in March, and now it's almost July, and here I am apologizing once again for going MIA, but I just needed a break. I feel like when I left off, I was doing all of these pop-up sales. I had one back to back. One weekend I did like a Poshmark pop-up sales, and then I did Vato Sutiki the next day, and honestly I was so burnt out after that I wanted to take a week off, and a week off turned into 3 months off because I just kept pushing it back. And then I had some house projects. We were painting. We painted our living room, we painted the hallway, and then that turned into like, oh, replacing this and replacing that, and it just like extended. And then I had to like reorganize this room, so I'm in the same room. I'm like my slash office, but I'm in a different area. Like I moved my desk, I cleaned my closet, and I've just been like seriously purging things that I'm never gonna list. Like I feel like I accumulated a lot of inventory from back in the day when I used to buy out like auctions and a couple of storage units, and I just had like these random things that I was never going to list. Like I had a box full of ties that I was like, oh yeah, I could make money off of this, but like I wasn't motivated to sell all of the ties. So I cleared out a bunch of stuff. Took it to Goodwill. I've sent in some bags to ThredUp. Even though I said I was never going to do ThredUp again, I have been doing the ThredUp partner bags. I do the Fabletics ThredUp bags because I actually do really like Fabletics. Like I use a lot of their leggings, and they have like really cute like athletic apparel. So I've been doing the ThredUp partner bags with Fabletics. I haven't been listing anything new, but I'm still selling things from my closet. I'm at under 100 listings on my closet. I've never had such a small closet. I think since when I started, I think I'm down to like 84 items. So I just wanted to let you guys know, whatever is listed in my closet, feel free to send me an offer. Feel free to make your own bundles. I do have some mystery bundles, well, not so mystery bundles available. I have about 5 different bundles, and these are all mostly vintage items, and they're vintage that like it's still cool, but I just don't want a lot of time listing it. So I have like 5 different boxes, so each box has between 6, 10, I think one even has like 15 items, and they're all under $20. Like I have like 2 boxes that are $10, 1 box that is $15, and 2 boxes that are $20 each. And they just have like really cool, unique vintage items. Like for example, I have one box that I'm calling the Granny Core box because it's just like full of these vintage nightgowns that give me like Sofia Coppola vibes from the Virgin Suicides. If you guys have ever seen that movie, like it's just full of these pajama sets. Not all of them are new. Some of them are not in the bag but have tags, but everything is pictured. So they're mystery boxes, but not so mystery because everything is pictured. I just don't have the time to measure everything. So if you're interested in buying a vintage box from me, I have them listed down below. And I'm kind of just clearing out my closet. Feel free to send me an offer. I'm also working part-time at Disneyland now. I still have my full-time job, but I applied randomly to the Disneyland Resort in March, and it's a merchandising position, and I got a part-time gig. So it's supposed to be weekdays in the evenings. I just completed my Disney University this weekend. I did traditions yesterday, and today I did my Step into the Magic class, which is just a lot of like customer service, history about the parks, history about obviously our corporate history, things like that. And we got to go into the parks, greet the guests, get comfortable walking around the parks. I still have to do my on-the-job training, so I don't know which location I'm going to be in yet, but I think it will be either downtown Disney or the resort. I'm not going to be in the parks, which I'm kind of bummed about, but I still get the Disney cast member perks, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I'm still going to be reselling, so I know it's going to be even more crazy, but I don't know, I feel like I needed like a change. I needed a break, but I also just needed to re-energize myself. So I feel like I was getting a little bit of cabin fever just working from home, and I'm still working from home. Like I still have my full-time job working remotely, but I have plenty of time in the evenings and afternoons. I get off early from work. I'm off by like 3, so I don't mind picking up a few extra shifts at the happiest place on earth. So we'll see how it goes. I'm experimenting. I've kind of just been reading all over places, and people, it's like extremes. Some people say they don't get enough hours. Some people say they get too many hours. So I just want to experience it for myself and see how I handle it. I am still reselling, but I'm definitely taking a step back into definitely more like part-time hobby side. I'm not going to burn myself out trying to list X amount of listings per week. I think I'm going to step back from pop-up sales, pop-up shops for a while, and I'm just working right now on clearing what I have in my closet. So again, feel free to send me an offer, make your own bundle, or buy one of my mystery boxes, and then I'm going to basically just start all over again and start listing more true vintage items, more curated, really focusing on mid-century vintage, 60s, 70s, just very curated. And I think I'm just gonna stop listing like modern brands altogether. Maybe just a vintage reproduction. I don't know yet. I'm still deciding, but I'm definitely taking a step back. I'm not listing anything new, just hoping to clear out more stuff and maybe start listing again at the end of July. So again, thank you guys so much for joining me and being patient with me and checking in on me on Instagram. I'm still here. I'm still motivated, just like in a different direction. I just want to be hyper focused, really focus on my photography, and really zone in and curate my online sales. So again, thank you guys so much for following up with me, and I'll be back. Let me know if you still want me to do my what sold videos. I still had sales every month. They're not really big numbers, so I don't know if you'd still be interested in them. If you do want me to do them, I can do my classic what sold video. I also do want to do a video coming up soon about my experience doing the Poshmark promoted closet beta. I did do it in May. I think I did it for about 4 weeks. So I will do a follow-up video sharing my experience with the Poshmark beta promoted closet program. More to come. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.